Hi, welcome to SEAVIP application installation tutorial. The SEAVIP application can be downloaded from Huawei Gallery and from Google Drive. The links are provided in the form of quick response QR code. Now, a demonstration of SEAVIP application installation via Google Drive is shown. First, you may enter the Google Drive link in your browser or scan the QR code and open the edited URL link in your browser. Second, press the download and wait until it's done. Third, please allow the installation from the browser in the setting. Fourth, continue the installation process. The installation process is completed.
Moving on, the second step, allow service. Now, a demonstration of enabling auto launch service using an Oppo smartphone is shown. This step is only applicable to some mobile devices according to the device manufacturer
And may vary according to different mobile device.
First, please navigate to System Settings, Apps Management, Auto Launch Apps. Second, search for SEAVIP application. Third, enable the Auto Launch and Background service. Moving on, the third step, initialize application and grant required permission. Now, please proceed with one of the sign-in methods. It is recommended to use the Sign in with Google option. Last but not least, the fourth step. First, please navigate to Settings. Second, please enable on-screen recognition. Third, you will be navigated to System Settings to enable Application Overlay. Fourth, search for SEAVIP application. Fifth, enable the Application Overlay. After that, press back button and start the screencast. Now, you may notice that there is a SEAVIP floating widget on the upper right corner. Hence, the installation of the SEAVIP application is completed. Thank you and have a nice day.